Yeah, this may be a stupid idea. I have a part of a soda can here, which is aluminum, and I have a LED strip, which is RGB, but I only want to use the RB part to make purple. So I'm gonna wire it up to light up only the red and blue. And I want to make it kind of a spotlight, but not really. Just barely enough light to not be totally dark. Kind of a night light for the exterior. As you can see, this LED strip is coated with silicone, rubbery, whatever. So this shouldn't be sealed. I mean, I don't think I need to seal it with a transparent whatever. I'll just hang it somewhere like this. Oh wait, it has some water on it, but no problem. The interior is mostly dry. That's where I'll glue in this strip. So yeah, basically I want this to solve a tiny little problem. So outside in front of my door there will be some light at least. And yeah, let's see what I can do. So gluing it inside it will be kind of challenging. I don't know what depth should I glue it on, but this is a trial and error because I have no idea. I don't even know if the light will come out properly. Maybe if I put it right in the bottom, because there's this reflector inside that should reflect all the light towards the bottom. I think that's what I'll try first. But yeah, first let's do the wiring. Kind of all over the place now, but yeah. I think I'm doing what I should. So just peel back a little this circuit board. Well, basically it's a circuit board. Copper foils, 4 copper foils. And I peel it back, then I cut off the transparent silicone or whatever it is, rubber. Let me cut it off. Like, hey, come on, hand, do what I want. Yeah, so cut it off. And now the solder points are exposed, and I'll wire up the positive and the negative to the red and blue. So that's 3 solder joints, 3 solder points. So one will be the positive one, and the negative should be longer because it has to reach 2 of the pads or whatever you call them. So let's see. A little solder. I think I don't have to solder the I don't have to put solder on the wires. I think I had good luck with soldering directly here on these LED strips. I don't know why. Maybe because they heat up quickly. So let's see. This is the positive. And yeah, it's on. Yeah, this is not ideal because the wire is too strong and it pulls on the foil. But after I mount it, it should be fine. So this negative should come a little closer, like that, to the blue and red. Solder them one by one, maybe? Come on! So, like that, I think. Maybe a little further, like that, and solder it in place. Does it focus? Yeah. So the red and blue, I need some more solder for that. And let's see. I don't want to make contact with the green, so yeah. Red, and one more for the blue. And hopefully I didn't connect it to the green, otherwise I have to cut it. But I don't think it's a problem. If I have to cut it, I'll cut it. What you gonna do about it, huh? Huh? Yeah, I think I made contact with it. That's not good. Did I? Or I can just bend it out of the way. I think it didn't make contact, okay. But we'll see. I'll turn it on as a test. Just have to peel away the insulation, and here I have a power supply, 12 volts. Let's see. Positive to the positive, which is the brown one is the positive and this is the negative. And the power supply is not turned on. Okay, if I turn it on. Okay. It's purple. I mean blue and red. Yeah, if I turn it upside down, then it's purple. Come on. Like that. And it's purple on the white surface. So yeah, hopefully the light coming down will be purple. Now, I think I won't, I'm not going to, I'll just put it inside. I don't want it to stick. I just want to test it. So, yeah, bend this up because it has to come out, and try it out like that. Hopefully it doesn't touch. Oh, it has a coating. I forgot. These soda cans have a nice coating, so even if the wire touches it, it's not non-conductive. That's how they do it, so the soda doesn't eat away at the aluminum. So yeah, let's see. How can I test this? Maybe upside down to see. How can I show it on camera? Yeah, it's not ideal. But yeah, the light seems to be coming out okay. Not ideal, but kind of good. So I think I can glue it in. This seems kind of nice. Yeah, I'll have to see, because I want to mount it about 2 meters off the ground, and it has to illuminate the ground. So yeah, that remains to be seen. But for now, it's a success. I'll just take off the back of the sticky tape and glue it in. And it will get power from these two. And yeah, this may be a good idea.